Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we're going to continue on looking at the $2 coins, and up until now we've looked at $2 coins that have been coloured. But this particular one from 2016 is the Changeover coin, and so the Changeover represents or commemorates 50 years since we began with the decimal system, which is back in '66. So when we moved away from pennies and shillings and florins, all those coins, and we went into the decimal system. And in 2016, they brought out a number of commemorative coins, one for each of the denominations. And in this case, we've got the $2 coin here, and so let's have a little bit of a closer look at it. So here we've got each of the coins actually have a different coin on their obverse. So this is the crown here, and we can obviously see that we would normally have a larger depiction of the queen, but in this case we've only got the small-headed variety, and which is only happening on the Changeover coins. There were other 2016 $2 coins put out that year, which is just the Olympic Games, which were held in 2016. So there was the 5 coloured rings. But today we're going to have a look at this particular coin. So these guys here had a mintage of 2.88 million. So considered to be fairly low. And these guys here were available from the mint in 5 pack bags, and I don't have too many of these, but I just thought I'd grab one out that was handy just to grab, just to show you guys. And I think they did that for, well, they did that for each of the coins for the 2016 Changeover period. Throughout that year, earlier in the year, they let I can't remember how they did it, but they staged the release of these Changeover coins throughout the year. So that's how you ended up with these. You just handed in essentially $10, and they gave you $10 worth of coins, which was great, which was absolutely awesome at the time, and they've stopped doing that for other reasons now, but it was something that was very, very helpful for me, and it meant that I was able to pick up coins fairly easily that were uncirculated, which was great. So let's talk about price. So I've checked, or I usually just like to check eBay, have a look at the recent sales and sold figures. So an individual coin, these 4 here are all circulated, but they're high grade at least. But in uncirculated condition, it sort of surprised me a little bit that what prices these things are getting at. And this has sort of been probably a coin I haven't really focused on, to be honest, because the dollar coin being so low a mintage and the 5-cent piece being a low mintage coin, I've certainly focused on those two, and that's what I've tried to hold. But these things do come through fairly often, and at 2.8, it's not the lowest of mintage, but I'm still surprised by where the price is going. So in an uncirculated condition, so something, say, straight out of this bag, they've been selling anywhere from sort of $6 through to $12, depending on how they're packaged, how they're how they're written up on to attract buyers. But yeah, $12 for one of these, I was very surprised. These bags are actually doing alright as well. So these did cost $10 at the time. I've seen sales for fairly consistently around the $30, and I've also seen some for around $33 with postage. So people are willing to pay, good dollars for these coins. There was also rolls of these coins, and there was 5,000 rolls made available by the mint, and they sell anywhere from sort of around the $100 to $125. The PNC version of this coin, even though it doesn't have any special mint mark or anything like that, which is still a limited number of them were made, they've been selling for around the $30. So look, these things in high grade are worth hanging on to. I really haven't been focusing on them, and I haven't collected too many of them. I think I actually did hold a lot more than what I am holding now, but I sent them back into circulation. But in some ways, it's probably a better keeper than the gold poppy from 2012, purely because the mintage is so much lower. Alright guys, well I hope you've enjoyed this look at the Changeover coin, and we will continue on with this particular series. We'll have a look at the other ones from 2017, as there was none for the Anzac or the Remembrance Day in 2016, so this is really the coin we're going to be looking at for that year. We won't have a look at the what's it called? The Olympic Games one. So I totally had a mind blank then. The Olympic Games ones. We might have a look down the track, but I'm not making it part of this series. Alright guys, if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you think of this coin. Do you like the design? I don't mind it. It's something different, and I like the fact that it shows us a little bit about our history, which is what I love about coins. So, alright guys, that's enough for now, and I look forward to bringing more videos to you soon. Thanks for watching.